Hello everyone and welcome to Algebra Math Club. And today's video, we're going to discuss the combination or addition of unlike integers. Unlike integers means one is negative and one is positive. I have here blocks, red and green. The red represents the negative integers and the green represents the positive integers. Now, I will illustrate to you if we have negative 4 plus positive 3. Okay, let's take them up. So, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. We have negative 4. And this one, the green ones are positive. Positive 1, 2, 3. So the first example is negative 4 plus positive 3. Our strategy is to pair them. They pair together, they pair together, they pair. What is left? 1. Red or green? Red. And red is negative. Therefore, this is negative. Next example. Let's say negative 5 plus positive 5. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 red and 5 green. Therefore, we have negative 5 plus positive 5. We pair them, pair together. What is left? 0. Therefore, this is 0. Now, let's have negative 7 plus positive 4. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have negative 7 plus positive 4. So we pair them, pair together. What is left? 1, 2, and 3. We have 3. Is this red or green? Red. Therefore, this is negative. Now let us try to summarize. So we are adding positive and negative integers. You will notice here, negative 4 plus positive 3, the answer is negative 1. Negative 5 and positive 5 is 0. Let us examine the numbers. Look at example 1. Without the sign, we have 4 and 3. Which one is greater? 4, right? But if you will subtract 4 and 3, the answer is 1. The greater number is negative, so the answer is negative. Now we have 5 and 5. We subtract the 2, 0. Which one is greater? None. So, it's 0. The last one, 7 and 4. Which one is greater? 7. 7 is negative. Therefore, the answer is negative. Now, try this one. If we have 15 plus negative 10, what's your answer? If your answer is positive 5, then you're correct. Another example. If you have positive 50 plus negative 25, then what is your answer? If your answer is positive 25, then you are correct. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please click the subscribe and like button, and I will make more videos like this. And I'll see you on the next video.